Hello, my little munchkins. I'm Ria, and I'm back again with a new story for all of you. So, here we go. Mimi's Magical Jungle Birthday Adventure. In the middle of a bright green jungle lived a cheerful little monkey named Mimi. Mimi loved swinging from branches, eating sweet bananas, and laughing loudly with her friends. One sunny morning, she woke up extra excited. Today was her best friend's Coco's birthday party. Miss packed a tiny leaf bag with a birthday card, a shiny river stone she had polished, and a bunch of little yellow bananas as a gift. Today I am going to give this to my dearest friend, she told herself, her tail swishing with excitement. As she started her journey, Mimi decided to take the fun jungle path. But the jungle is full of surprises. High up on a tree, a group of colorful birds were practicing their birthday song. Can you help us choose which tune to sing? They asked. Mimi listened carefully. One song was too fast, one too slow, but one was just perfect. That one, Coco will love it, she said. The birds chirped happily and promised to sing it at the party. To reach Coco's home, Mimi had to cross a long, wiggly vine bridge. As she walked, the wind made its way. Mimi took a deep breath. Slow and steady, she whispered. Step by step, she made it across. A tiny squirrel clapped from the other side. You're so brave, Mimi. Mimi smiled proudly. Next, Mimi reached a sparkling river. A friendly turtle named Tito popped his head out. Hop on, I'll give you a ride. They floated gently across the water while colorful fish swam below them like living rainbows. Thank you, Tito, Mimi said as they reached the riverbank. Finally, Mimi spotted bright balloons made of giant leaves and flowers. She had reached Coco's birthday clearing. The party! Coco the monkey jumped towards her. Mimi, you made it! The jungle birds sang the birthday song Mimi had chosen. Baby monkeys danced, parrots flew in circles, and everyone shared coconut cakes and banana shakes. Coco opened Mimi's shiny stone gift and hugged her. This is the best birthday ever. As the sun set, the jungle lights glowed softly. Mimi curled up on a branch full of happiness. Today was full of adventure and love, she whispered. And